All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mark Days. If you're new here, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in black. Just announced this is the newest iteration, same exact model as 2023, but they're selling it over to us again in a different color. I did not have the Ultra 2. I had the original Ultra, which I ended up selling. So I said, let me pick this one up right here. I like the black color, so I wanted to give it a go. We're just going through the booklet here, unboxing it, seeing what we got. Apple strikes again with that little stupid piece of paper. I don't know what the purpose is. That's not really environmentally friendly. They could have left that out. Unless it's legally required, it shouldn't be in there. Pull tabs, we're just gonna open it, check it out, see what we got in here. We got the strap and we got the watch. Once we open it, we'll see that there's really not much to these unboxings. They're actually quite underwhelming, but it's just a chance for people to see, like, if you guys didn't know, if you wanted to pick it up and you want to see what it's like, just a chance to look at it. Or if you can't get it and you said, hey, I just want to still see what it looks like, or maybe you're a Samsung person switching over, just showing you what it looks like here and what it's about. And we're going to set it up too. That was the charger. Just throw it back in the box. And here we go with the watch. I'll check it out here, see what it is. One thing about Apple, man, they make some beautiful products. So again, like all the other times, you're going to see me wiping it down and just really taking a look at it, spinning it around, almost forgetting them on camera because I'm just kind of staring at the craftsmanship, the design, the engineering. It just looks absolutely beautiful. And look, I don't know all the functions of the watch. I don't go deep sea diving or hiking in mountainous regions or anything like that. But I'm a man, big size man, and I need a watch that looks manly on my wrist. So I didn't go with the Series 10 or anything like that because it just doesn't look manly enough or rugged enough for me. I wanted the Ultra. So here goes the strap. Again, stupid one piece of paper. I don't get it. So-called carbon neutral. I don't care if it's recycled, man. Stop doing that. If you don't have to put it in there legally, don't put the paperwork in. Nobody reads it. Ridiculous, Apple, ridiculous. All right, so you saw the strap come out there. Here it is. That's the watch. This is the strap. We're taking a look at it. You're about to see me install it on backwards, by the way. I put it on wrong. So I didn't like the strap anyway. I thought the whole strap was going to be that black finish, but apparently the way you install it, if you do it properly, there's going to be that, I don't know how to explain that color that's inside the strap. I wasn't really feeling the strap. Again, I thought it was going to be all black with like a grayish lines on each side, but there's some type of weird colorful situation going on the inner part of the strap. And that's the part, oddly enough, that's showing the most because I have a large wrist. So I started looking at other straps here, pulled out my Coach strap that I was using with my Ultra watch, my Ultra 1, and I pulled out a natural titanium Ultra band that I had bought from Amazon. And I had a whole bunch of bands that I bought from Temu, whatever you want to call it. Just like my wife in the previous video, we had bought a whole bunch of bands together. I bought us some bands. So, and I picked this one out of a lot of watches that I actually purchased to resell. So what I do at Coffee Mobile is I do buy and sell used devices. If you're interested, go to coffeemobile.com, coffee with a K. And that's who sponsored this video, my company, Coffee Mobile. So we're looking at the watch, flicking it around, checking it out. I actually put the blue band on there because I love that blue band. It looked amazing. It felt comfortable. And I had this Gucci band in the little Temu, whatever you want to call it, haul. And I thought it looked kind of fly. So I was like, not real Gucci, of course, but just the Gucci colorway. So I was like, let me measure up the other bands, the Coach one. I had some of the black bands there, another little light blue gray situation, the orange one that would have come with the original. So I like it. I love it. So everything was good. It felt comfortable. I was happy to have my watch back. It's be good for the gym, good for what I'm using it for. God bless you. Peace be unto you. I appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And again, my name is Mark Days. Follow me on social media at The Real Mark Days. And this video was sponsored by Coffee Mobile, where we do buy used devices, trade in your smartphone for cash. Go to coffeemobile.com, Coffee Mobile with a K. Thank you again. God bless. Peace be unto you.